Hello everyone, welcome to my stream. Today I'll be taking trades like every day, and the left one here is 30 minutes, and the right one here is 5 minutes. I have $278 right now, and I want to make 300 today. So we'll take it slow, we'll take it calmly, we'll take it slowly. Let's do it easy and wait for the right trades like in Hawkeye. Well, if you guys find any trade and you think that it is worth entering now, then you should tell me so that it comes to my notice and then we can do it together maybe. There's a resist support here. I can find a support here if the support level breaks. If the support breaks, keeping this as my stop, I can enter, but I need some confirmation. I will trade only on confirmations today, is what I'm hoping. Once I get some confirmation, and the confirmation is that to break the support level. Sooner or later, by trading again and again and again, and I mean it, by trading small, I say that you can survive longer in the game, and by playing small size of trades, you survive longer, you get to learn more. Survival is the key, and the patience takes you to levels, patience takes you to places. I cannot say this yet because I don't have a meaningful capital as of now, but when I do, I will show you guys that patience has brought me to that level where I'll be streaming with crores of capital maybe. There will be a day when I will be trading with that meaningful amount of capital, but as of today I have to follow the process and stick to the process. Only then I can reach to that level. So stick to the stream and help me just stay in the stream. That's how you can help me, maybe. Do not enter yet. I know I'm a little early enterer, or if that's the way to put it, but I entered जल्दी घुस जाता हूँ ट्रेड्स में, फिर रिग्रेट करता हूँ, और ऐसे ही मैंने अपना कैपिटल गवाया था, बट इस बार नहीं। आराम से पेशेंस से वेट करेंगे, ट्रेड आने का इंतज़ार करेंगे, सेटअप बनने का इंतज़ार करेंगे। ये पेशेंस का गेम है सर, मैडम, व्यूअर्स, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट पेशेंस. Now that I can see a little, let's enter very short size, keeping this as my stop loss. If this plays out in my favor, then maybe I can expect it till here. स्ट्रीम में बने रहिएगा गाइस, अपन देखते हैं कि अपना ट्रेड किधर जाता है और क्या होता है. If I see any reversal signs, or maybe I will trail my stop loss is what I'm thinking. But आप लोग क्या बोलते हो कि if I should trail my stop loss or just stick to the risk reward? I chose this as my stop loss because this was the previous high it has made, and if this high is broken, then the trend is invalidated. Or maybe that there are chances that trend reverses, because the structure here is that, let me remove everything for you guys, all the indicators and things. What I am saying is that, see, there is a high, there is a high here, and if this high is taken out, right, then the higher high trend continues. But if it is not continuing, then I can hope that, hope is a wrong word always to use in trading. I'm sorry I used it, but do not hope in trading. But these are the levels, is what I can see. And also, if I find the trend here, I didn't enter based on all these analysis. My analysis were different, but I am telling you structures and things about structures. It's that it's an uptrend, clearly. It's in a parallel channel. And also, can I teach one thing? If there's anyone, मैं कुछ सिखा सकता हूँ आपको, and that is that if you have to draw trend lines, you always have to shift to line chart for more accurate signals of support and resistance, like I am doing it right now. This is the way I would do it, but not this is invalidated. The validation here is only this to this, because 2 points has to touch, and here it's not it. So this is invalid. But this is a valid one because it's in the trend range only. As you can see, it has touched the trend line, reverse, touched reverse, touched reverse. Now, if it comes to the trend line again, there might be a chance to reverse as well. And hence, I'm saying that I'm going to trail my stop loss for this reason. There are higher highs being made, and I've taken a trade against the trend since I usually take trends against the trend. I don't mind taking it with the trend also, but there has to be some meaningful reason or some logical rationale behind it. बेसिकली जब ये समवेयर यहाँ पे मिड पे कहीं आ जाएगा तो आई विल bring it this one cost to cost. This is the trend line that I got it here, and here is the support line. How did I get the support line? Because previous two lows. I'm trading on a shorter time frame, right? Hence, I am trading against the trend. If it was a longer time frame, then I would wait for better risk reward. See guys, today it might look that अभी ऐसा लग सकता है कि मेरे कैपिटल के हिसाब से अमाउंट मीनिंगफुल नहीं लग रहा है. यू डोंट फोकस ऑन द कैपिटल और एनीथिंग एल्स, बट focus on how I entered the trade. Ask me anything if you have any doubt. I have good amount of experience, good years of experience, sorry. I can help you. We can learn together, we can grow together. Thing here is patience. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Just keep waiting, and then you find a trade. And if it goes against it, which is very likely that it goes against you, then you have to need to know how you're going to manage it. You need to know how you're going to position your trade. What is your trade going to add to your emotion is what I look at. I used to be a very aggressive trader. Now I tend to wait. Now I tend to stick to small sizing, things as such. Don't focus on the amount. Amount might not be big, which was not the case with me earlier. But now that all the things have happened with me now, I want to be a very disciplined trader like how I used to be before to before. Highs must be respected. The previous high and the high before that clearly tells you the trend. अगर आप लोग स्ट्रीम पे आते हो, देखते हो, मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हो, देन we can have a conversation, we can discuss about different things, we can discuss about what to do when in a trade, how to wait for the trade. Either you place a trade and go do things that you want to do, but I saw a news right now that there is a earthquake happening in Mexico right now, Assam. It happened yesterday at 4:17 a.m. in Assam and Mexico. I hope you guys are safe. I am one right now. People with some love, acting like loving heroes. अगर आप स्ट्रीम पे आते हो तो प्लीज़ क्वेश्चन पूछिए, इंटरेक्ट करिए, सीखिए। आप चुपके स्ट्रीम आके ट्रेड देख के वो इतना प्रॉफिट इतना लॉस वो सब देखने मत आइए। मेरा प्रॉफिट मेरे लॉस से आपको कुछ नहीं होगा। आप कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछिए, इंटरेक्ट करिए, कुछ सीखिए, मुझे सिखाइए, एंड वी कैन वर्क बोथ वेज। waiting patiently for the trade to turn in my favor, which is right now it is, and slowly, slowly, steadily, and whoop. I will have to stick to the rules and the system and the trade. Should have respected the support level I can add more if it comes to my favor, or maybe if the support is broken, I can add more.